Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. See, my dear, in the previous class, we have completed our classwork. That is, writing of hard words in the classwork. Am I right? Yeah. Have you all learning those hard words? Yes, my dear, you have to learn those hard words. Okay. So, I think now you all got a clear idea that you have. How many books you have? You have textbook, classwork and homework for small copy. Am I right? Are you all writing a small copy? You have to write and post it to your concerned class teacher, my dear. Okay. The need of a small copy is to improve your handwriting. Okay. You have to write and send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay, my dear. So, take your textbooks, ma. Take your textbooks. Open page number 3. Page number 3. So, today we are going to do a textbook work. Okay. See here. Textbook work. Open page number 3. Okay. So, in page number 3, first I will write the lesson name of the lesson. Okay. Lesson 1. You don't write anywhere. The monkey orchestra. Okay, the monkey orchestra. Page number 3. First bit. What is the first bit? Choose the best options to answer these questions. Choose the best options. Answer these questions. Choose the best options to answer these questions. Okay. So, look into the textbooks, all of you. First one. What is the first one? Who was Mowgli? Who was Mowgli? See, I'll write every question and options on the board. Okay. First one. What is the first one? Who was Mowgli? Who was Mowgli? Tell me who was Mowgli? Mowgli was a little boy. Options are given. He was a boy or he was a bear. Who was Mowgli now? Tell me. He was a boy or he was a bear? Yeah, he was a boy. Tick A. Tick A. Next, second one. Tick with pencil only. Don't do anything with pen. Anyway, you use pencil itself. I know that, but don't use any other things. Only pencil. Okay. Next, second one. Where did Mowgli live? Where did Mowgli live? Options are given. He lived in a forest. Where did Mowgli live? He lived in a jungle. That means forest. Next one, second one. A is correct. Next, third one. Who was Mowgli's friend? Who was Mowgli's friend? The monkey. The monkey was Mowgli's friend. Bhalu. The bear was Mowgli's friend. Who was Mowgli's friend? The monkey or Bhalu? Bhalu, right. Third one is B. Take it, ma'am. I'll wrap the board now. Next, fourth one. What else did Bhalu want when Mowgli started to sing? What did the Bhalu want when Mowgli started to sing? See, my dear, I don't write all the option here. Okay? A and B. A. He wanted some music to go with the song. He wanted some music. See, this is the correct one. Fourth one, A is right. Next, fifth one. What did the monkeys want to do? What did the monkeys want to do? A. They want to make music. They wanted to make music. Next, sixth one. What did the monkeys do with the hollow log? What did they do with the hollow log? The correct option is they hit it it, we will hands. Next, seventh one. What did Balu do when Mowgli sang and Monkey Band played? Monkey Band played. Then what is the right option? Here two options are given. He began to hit the log too, or he began to dance and sing. So, when Mowgli started singing the song, Bhalu started dance and sing along with the Mowgli. So, B is the right option. In the sixth one also, B is right. B is the correct option. So, my dear, your daily work is read and practice 1 to 10 hard words for 2 times. Okay. So, this is your homework. Then, in small copy, take your small copies. Write today's date. Then, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T and small t. This is your homework in small copy. You have to write and post it to your concerned class teacher. And along with this, you have to read and practice the hard words and write in rough notebook. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet in next class.